Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic Coin LUNC. Yes, Terra Classic as of 6th April 2022. That was last year, not even up to 1 year. The price of Terra Classic was actually trading at $116 with a daily volume of about $3.6 billion daily volume. Wow. 3.6 billion, and with a market cap of about 40 billion 860 million dollars market cap, according to coinmarketcap.com. It's not up to 1 year, this is about 10 months, but I think that price $116 is not going to be easy again for Terra Classic to reach that level. Even the market cap with over $40.86 billion, Terra Classic can still gain such market cap, even more than that. But the price, because when Terra Classic was trading at $116, the market cap was also at $40.86 billion. But even if Terra Classic market cap today hits over $100 billion, Terra Classic might not even reach that $116 price. Now, Terra Classic need to hit almost $10 billion market cap in order to hit 1 penny. Then if Terra Classic is to reach $1, we are expecting between $50 to $100 billion market cap. It's not going to be easy, that's the truth. And I still believe that for now, if Terra Classic reaches 1 cent, a lot of people will be making a lot of money. If Terra Classic at $1 alone is really going to create a lot of millionaires, because let me just bring the price low so you understand. Investing $10 on Terra Classic right now simply means at 1 cent you are already making $1,000. At $1 you are already making $10,000 with your just $10 investment. So by the time you have like $100 on Terra Classic, you will be making about $10,000 at 1 cent and $100,000 at $1. That is amazing. That's a huge profit. But I still believe that we'll keep pushing. Over the 13th, Terra Classic market cap actually hit almost $2 billion recently, which I know that by the time we continue, we'll be hitting towards that $10 billion market cap. And this coin will definitely increase. Before you know it, Terra Classic sold on 1 cent. I'm not saying you should go buy. This is cryptocurrency where anything can happen. This video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. But if you want to buy Terra Classic, remember to buy what you can afford to lose. That's why I'm actually explaining this based on $10, $100, or if you can invest more, it depends on what you can afford to lose. Once again, thank you for stopping by.